7 tips of proper solo camping. Plan ahead, research the camping area, including the weather forecast, terrain, and wildlife. Make a checklist of necessary gear and supplies, including food, water, shelter, clothing, first aid kit, navigation tools, and fire starting materials. Make a backup plan. Let someone know your planned route and schedule and have a backup plan in case of emergencies. Follow leave no trace principles. Respect the natural surroundings by leaving no trace of your presence, properly disposing of trash and food waste, and avoiding disturbing wildlife.